In today's video, we will compare two popular laundry solutions, the portable washing machine and the ROVSUN full automatic washer/dryer combo. We'll explore their features, pricing, and who they are best suited for. Let's dive in. The portable washing machine is priced at just 69 United States dollars, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers or those looking for a compact solution for travel or small spaces. In contrast, the ROVSUN full automatic washer/dryer combo comes with a price tag of 349 United States dollars, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity, which may appeal to families or those with more laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the portable washing machine offers a 16L capacity, which is suitable for small loads such as travel laundry or delicate items. On the other hand, the ROVSUN washer/dryer combo boasts a larger capacity of 17.6 lbs, making it ideal for handling bigger laundry loads, such as family wash days or bulkier items like bedding. The portable washing machine features 3 washing modes designed for deep cleaning, providing versatility for different laundry needs. In contrast, the ROVSUN washer/dryer combo offers full automatic functionality, including a stainless steel inner tub and multiple drying options, making it a more comprehensive solution for everyday laundry tasks. In conclusion, both the portable washing machine and the ROVSUN full automatic washer/dryer combo have their unique advantages. The portable washer is perfect for those on a budget or with limited space, while the ROVSUN model is better suited for larger households needing more functionality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.